Hey, what's up, guys? It's Lewis with That Convention Got Collectibles, and I'm here with another statue unboxing, one that I got just as I left for New Zealand. So I ordered this one from Big Bad Toy Store. Again, I don't get anything from them for suggesting them or recommending them, but they're one of the companies that I tend to purchase some toys or Funko or in this case a statue that they had. Could I have gone to other places? Sure, but I've done business with them, so why not? Well, that wasn't good. Tell you what, these classic series, the pegs are very tight. Nothing wants to slide in, at least not easily. And you know, these statues are super fragile, so you can't force them. There we go. All right, for some strange reason, I'm trying to fix the ring. There's no way. How in the world? There. Okay. Very well. So let's see how my folder is trying to fix at the front. And so now I'm not sure how to get that back there. But you can see it wasn't, it's not connected. So I'm not 100% sure. But I think it's a possible back there. I'll take my fingers and I might do some tweezers. Or maybe somebody else to check. Try it. Alright, I was able to get it back in there. And basically what I did was I tilted the statue, and then you can kind of use gravity to help you. So there it is. Let me show you up close. So now let's take a look at some of the other. Pretty awesome detail. Even the chain right there. One Gondor. Face sculpt is pretty good. I mean, I got no complaints with that. I mean, it's slightly off from what they show in the box. I think his facial hair is a little bit more filled in and dark. Where there it's a little less and light. But there's the art box there. What I found interesting is that this is a classic series. And if you saw my video on alerts, the classic series had a fold out thing that came out, you know, from the box. and showed you kind of like the makings of it and things like that. This one does not. And I have noticed that with Weta. Sometimes they give you a little bit extra, sometimes they don't. But there he is holding the ring. This is that scene when Frodo drops it right before he loses his brain. Actually, I guess it was a little bit before. But either way, very cool statue. So we'll go to next alerts and take a look at that. All right, there they are side by side. I'll probably put one of them up a little bit higher, but pretty awesome. 2 classic series. Job well done from Weta. All right, guys, that's going to do it for another video from me. Appreciate you guys watching, and if you haven't already done so, like, subscribe to the channel, help a brother out, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.